Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to install DJ Dealer plugin onto the Camfrog operator tool called as ICEOP. ICEOP is a very popular operator tool used inside by Camfrog room owners and operators. So I'm assuming that people who are watching this know what ICEOP does and how to install it and how to start it. So I've got the ICEOP shortcut over here. So I'm just going to start ICEOP. So I've got the latest version of ICEOP as of today 3.1. So you can see my ICEOP is started now. So I could see an icon here for the ICEOP. So let me just right click on that and you can see various menus. So there's a menu called as plugins. Once you're in the plugin menu, I would see only one plugin, that is owner's dashboard. Let's go and get some additional plugins, right? So we got a get plugin button. Just click on that and that would take you to the ICEOP web page. Okay, now here I'm assuming you're connected to the internet, your browser is working, you can browse website. If you're not hooked onto the net, this won't work. Okay, so ensure you are connected to the net before you do or click on the get plugins button. Okay, now having said that, we are on the ICEOP plugins page. Let's do a quick walkthrough on this page. If you could see, there are some ICEOP 3.0 plugins. Okay, these are all ICEOP 3.0 plugins here. You could also see some 2.0 plugins. This is the older version of ICEOP, which they still support. Okay, so why I'm telling you this is don't try to install any of these 2.0 plugins on 3.0 ICEOP or 3.1 ICEOP because they're not compatible and your ICEOP would start behaving in a crazy way. So I would recommend everybody to use the standard or the latest version of ICEOP 3.1 and install any of the plugins that you need. So having all said that, let's go back to a task of DJ Dealer. This is the plugin that we needed, right? So now if you see, move your mouse over here, this is a hyperlink. I just need to click on this DJ Dealer and it would ask me where to save. Now this is a file called djdealer.ipi, right? This is a file, plugin file that I have. I'm going to save it. Do not say open, just say save file. Okay, click on save file, say OK. It would ask me where to save. I would save it onto my desktop. You could save it anywhere, wherever you feel you're comfortable with. I'm saving it on the desktop because it makes it easier for me to access. So if you see here, I've not changed the name of the file, I've not changed the save type of the file, nothing has changed, right? So make sure you're not changing anything. If you change something, things might not work. So I just say save here and it's going to download, and I have the file downloaded here, right? So let me minimize this, and on the desktop I could see the DJ Dealer file that we downloaded, right? Now this is actually a plugin file, right? You could see ICEOP plugin written over here, right? So now we need to install it. So how do we install? So just right click on that. You could either do a copy or a cut, whichever you're comfortable with. I would do a cut because I don't want to maintain a copy of this on my desktop, right? And I don't need it here. So I just say cut, and now I need to open my Windows Explorer. So I just go to my computer, right click, explore, and go to C drive, and go to the location where you installed your ICEOP. Okay, so I've installed it in C drive, program files, ICEOP. Okay, now this is the folder. If you see on my computer, C drive, program files, ICEOP, this is the default location where it does. If you've done it on a different location, go ahead to that location. Go to data folder. You could see a plugins folder here, right? So if you see, that's the place where we need to be. C drive, program files, ICEOP, data, plugins. Once you're inside this folder, inside the plugins folder, just right click over here and just paste the file that you just cut from the desktop, right? So I'm going to paste it here. So I would just say continue copying, and yep, Now I've got this DJ Dealer file that is here. Okay, I've copied this file onto the plugins folder. Now let me come back here onto the DJ Dealer ICEOP and see whether I could see the plugin. Right, I don't see the plugin. I copied the file but I don't see the plugin. Why is it? Because it needs to be initialized, right? So let me restart my ICEOP. Just say exit ICEOP. Let me minimize and start the ICEOP again. I'm going to start it again. Now the ICEOP is started. I'm going to go here and say right click, plugins, and there I see the DJ Dealer plugin. So that's how you install the DJ Dealer plugin onto your computer, right? So that would end our session 1. On the session 2 we're going to see how to use DJ Dealer inside the room so that you could manage your DJs in your room. Thank you very much and hope to see you in the second session.